Now, this nature can be believed or understood in three layers: para, apara, and parapara. The source of original material is in the mind, in the thoughts, in the mind. You think that there is matter, and the matter appears. The process of conceiving or thinking or dreaming about materialism is the first subtle prakriti. That subtle prakriti becoming solid material is the solid prakriti, the form prakriti. From the formless is the form. And that which is in between the form and the formless is the third type of prakriti. So nature is self-divided into three parts.